and welcome back. I'm being weird, just ignore me. Anyway, how are you guys? How are you doing? I'm really sorry I haven't posted a video yesterday. I was actually working with my day job. I had to do something at work, but I had time to go for a walk, and I had time to film. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll be uploaded today, which is now Tuesday. So yeah, it was just a quick message just to say that I apologise for not uploading yesterday, but it's quite interesting, this video. I went to visit, as you've already seen in the title, seen a graveyard, but went around the graveyard, had a little look in the little chapel area of the remembrance soldiers, and went and had a nice little trip to the pond and saw some little baby duckies. So make sure you watch to the end to see them, because I'm telling you now, they are cute. I mean, yeah, the camera's a little bit fuzzy, but you can still make them out, they're still cute. So anyway, deepest apologies yet again, and enjoy the rest of the video. So hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel as always, and it's lovely to see you all again. I've got something a little different for you today on my little walk. I've come for a little walk around the graveyard, and I hope that's not too morbid. Just thought, well, it's been a bit of a stressful couple of days. I've found out that a family member has come down with the virus, but was a mild case. My sister's not been too good. She's been in A&E with other different type of problems. So yeah, it's been a bit of a stressful couple of days. I thought I'd come on a stroll. I know I think it'd be dead cool to come here at night, but not on my own. One day these things will happen. I will come on nighttime walks eventually. I don't know if this is a bit morbid, going around a graveyard, and some of these must be like really old. What year is that one? 74 years old, 1920s. Oh, what's that one there? Sorry if my phone's beeping, just got a text message. 8th of March 1917, wow. So I never used to find, I don't find this all that fascinating, to be fair, but it is kind of interesting sometimes. Just to see, you know, how long some of these graves have been. So I've decided to come for a walk and go to a park, a nice little park. Well, it's a big park actually, but oh, look at this then. It's a lovely little park that's like a big pond, and there's like this thing that like goes, like this hole that goes down it, which is quite weird, so I'll show you that. So yeah, to do with my other channel, which is what I wanted to mention, the other channel will be up and running soon. Like I say, if you didn't watch my last video, just a bit of a recap. That's going to be based with gaming, because I didn't want to mix too many different things on this channel. So my gaming is going to be on the other channel. See how that goes. Fingers crossed it does good, because I really would like, you know, to do well on that one too, because this one seems to be going, you know, picking up the pace a little bit, which is fantastic. So thank you to everybody. Just make sure that, you know, you subscribe. So come on, you know, we need to keep these subscribers going, because the more subscribers we get, the better I can make this, and the more the more I can give out to you. So keep hitting that subscribe button, keep hitting that like button, and thank you so much again. You know, and you know, keep the comments coming too. So yeah, that's going to be more about gaming, and if it, you know, see how that turns out. You know, I hope, well, touch wood, whatever it is. Oh, look at that, isn't that one pretty? Touch wood, if the gaming doesn't pan out, I like to think of doing some reaction videos. I promise, with this horror, I'm so excited to do some horror gaming, but I'm going to have to wait till payday, or near a payday, which is in a couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that, because it's going to be fun, because I'm going to actually play them at night. So that'll be quite fun. So stay tuned for that on my other channel. Gosh, it's amazing that, isn't it? All these people have lived in Newton. It's fantastic, well, in a sad kind of way. So I've been thinking of names for my new channel. So I've thought of Spoonhead. Oh man. Yeah, so I've thought of the name Spoonhead for my new channel, and the reason being is because my sister used to call me a spoonhead when I was a kid. Well, when I was a teenager. I don't know where she got the nickname from. I don't know why she calls me Spoonhead, but hey ho, it's fun. It's a bit of a thing, isn't it? So what I might do actually, if I might show you what's inside that little chapel-y, churchy thing. I think it's got some history of it in there actually. The last time I went in there, last time I went in, it was on my remembrance day. Get it right? And it was lovely. They had like all the images of the soldiers that had died in the war, who have fought in the war, who may even still be alive, I think. I don't know. I might sound a bit dumb saying that now, but we'll soon see. We'll have a look. I just hope if you're allowed to record in there, I won't say anything, I won't talk about anything, I'll just show you. Just in case there's like people in there, and just a bit of respect really. So yeah, so if you'd like to take a look at my new channel. Again, I always like to know what you guys think about my ideas for it, but I'm looking forward to it anyway. So I'll be setting that up today, and yeah, I think it'll be fun. So we're nearly there. Oh wow, look at that. I'll have a look at that on the way back actually. Let's have a quick look at it. If we can't record in there, then we'll soon skip to that other bit. That's the I mean, it's free will, you can go in here and any time you want. I think it's always open. So we'll have a quick look. I do like all these like old buildings. It's very fascinating. Wow. Right, let's go and have a look in. Oh yeah. Right, I'm not going to say anything, I'll just go in and have a look. Wow. Oh yeah, there's nobody in. So it's just like a wall of all the people that fought in the war. Oh, look at that. It's just all over. It's absolutely gorgeous, all of it. Oh, unless this is all the people that fought in the war from... It's just that the walls are just surrounded. And then there's this. So yeah, them doors are fantastic. Right, so let's crack on to see the other bit there. So there's a little bit of extra local history for you. So we'll just move on and have a look at that little bit over there. Let's have a little read of that, what's over there then. Now this is pretty cute. So let's have a look at this plaque. It's like, oh right, I thought this was like a war, part of like the remembrance thing, but it's the cremation side of it all. Oh, cute. I love the little garden bit. Oh. Just a nice little quiet place to sit, isn't it? So we will now shall go to Little Wonder, over to the pond, and have a nice little quiet sit down, shall we? So, oops, camera's going funny because it's a bit windy. I'm sorry if the wind is taking away from the audio. So yay! So this is the graveyard. There is another one nearer to where, sort of nearer to where I live. It's only small, but it's nice to just sit there sometimes. So yeah, how nice is this? There's a little house over there in the distance. It looks really cute. It looks kind of spooky too, which would be quite interesting. Just a quick look at this now. Just for exercise only. So this is part of, there's a graveyard there. This is like a footpath. There's like a little cut through. I'm not sure if I've shown you this bit before though. This is like a cut through to further into Newton. Oh, wrong way. That way I can get home that way, so that's the way I'll be going home. So I'm going to go in as far as the pond and then back. Right, let's just skip a little bit because we've got kiddies coming. Yeah, sorry about that. I just had to skip past because there was a child going past, and I think you're not allowed to have children in your videos unless it's your own, I think. So I've just had to skip that bit there. So again, this is another nice little area to go for a walk. I will take you down there one day, which is actually one of the big walks. Oh, hang on, some more people. I don't want to get them in shot. Yeah, sorry about that again. There was some more kids walking past. Yeah, so I was saying, wasn't I? There, that's another long walk. Oh, I've got some more people going back, some more kids. I do apologise. Gosh, there's a lot of children on a walk today. Yes. So, yeah, the other walk is a long one. There is part of it that I don't think I'll be able to do because it's a bit too much on my own. A bit lonely, meaning. So, well, there are other parts I can do where it's quite public. And it's not as dangerous for me to be wandering around on my own. So yeah, I think I'll consider doing that another day if the weather holds up, because apparently it's supposed to be like peeing it down for the next couple of weeks. So that's going to make content a little bit more difficult to do. So, but we'll have some fun, because I'm thinking of doing, you know, like I say, like maybe I'm going to try and bake some scones at some point. That'd be fun. So we can do some baking together. Because like I said, like with the lockdown situation, going to be a mix of different things for now. Until I can get some more solid stuff. But we'll do it. We'll make it. I'm not quite sure what this used. I don't know if this was part of a connection to something or another. It looks like it was that thing there. But it's lovely around here. The pond isn't far. Oh dear me. So yeah, that walk will be pretty good. But like I said, let's just hope the weather does keep up and it's not going to rain like it says it's going to be. So, yeah, let me know what the weather's like where you are, where you're living. Tell me what the weather's like. Right, so we're nearly at the pond now, so I will jump to the next bit. I know we're not quite at the pond yet, but just have a moment and listen to the wildlife. I mean, how gorgeous is that sound? And the sound of the stream as well. It's like nature's just thriving. And speaking of nature, apparently actually the ecosystem and everything, wildlife, everything is just thriving and gaining so much more healthier now that us humans are on lockdown. It's like nature's making its comeback and it's absolutely amazing. I've actually read a couple of bits on that. And it's amazing to know. It's sad to think that nature can only thrive because we're out of the way. It's such a sad thing to think about. And by the way, I am nature crazy, and I'm eco-friendly, definitely. Just not got into it half as much. So not being able to recycle at the moment is a big pain in the bum. It's bugging me not being able to recycle. Wow, look at that there. Right, we'll skip to the pond and we are back. Ah, just lovely. The pond is just right over there. I'll show you that like whirly thing. Oh, the benches have been taken, damn it. Oh no, there's another one free. Let me just... Have a little read of this if you want to. Willow Park Pond. Just ignore the graffiti. I'm guessing that used to be a bit of a pond though. so I'll show you this mad, like, it looks like I don't know what it is, like a funny looking well or something. I'll get up these steps. Ooh. I was going to cut through the park, which is that way, but I'll do that on another video because I want to go back the way I came. Oh, look. Mad that. Usually it's like come absolutely gushing. And I would like to know how that works. Here's the pond. Some more hens. Let's just have a read of this. I guess we'll have a sit down and you can have a look. We'll just have a bit of a quiet moment. I'm sorry, but I've no food for you, pal. So that's it. There's a swan over there. So this is it, people. Just a quick one look at the little babies. Sorry if it's a bit wobbly. Oh, oh, so cute. Right, this is the end of the little adventure now. Just thought I'd leave you with the babies. I'm off to go and get a Costa coffee.